What's up to my amazing craft artists? My name is I am Dee Crafts. My life's a craft artist. I hope you're having a great day. Today's a fun video for you and me. It is a Dee's DIY and also it's a sneak peek Sundays. Everything I'm showing you in this video is from either from Dollar Tree or from Walmart. Look at these beautiful pearls and gems. I love the pretty blues and pinks and purples. And this is all that you're going to use in this project. Ooh, googly eyes. I know you like googly eyes, you guys. And we have scissors. We have beautiful felt, like red and pink felt, tacky glue. We're going to have really cool things to make. It's going to be so much fun. We also have doilies, so heart doilies. I love hearts. Hearts is my favorite shape in the whole entire world. Besides, beautiful diamond shape. And these are beautiful. So we're going to make some projects. I use all hearts in all my drawings and projects. And I have some red and pink and white felt. And I can't wait to use this tree. I'm going to make a tree with the beautiful conversation hearts. We're going to make that out of a tree. It's going to be so much fun. Hope you like this. I love this. And the tree was so cool from Dollar Tree. It's going to be fun for decoration. Thanks for watching, you guys. So this is a sneak peek of the first project we're going to be doing in this video. Enjoy! We're doing emoji hearts right here. See, the eyes, I already glued the eyes on these already, so they're ready. They're ready for us. See, look at, I gotta add a nose or hair or whatever. It's gonna be cute. I'm decorating for the rest of the month, so it's gonna be fun. I can't wait to show you that. And then I have, so thank you. Keep crafting no matter what.